Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp app. Then go to the chat section and search for a group. This is my group, so now you just need to know the first method. You can just select the message or quote the message. Then type tag, or you can put it in the message like this. Now for the second method, you can just use this @ button, then type everyone. So you can quote the message or just put this in the message content. Now the third method, you can just tap this @ button. Then once the username pops up, you can search the person you want to tag. Or you can tag everyone individually. This is how this 3 method. You can easily tag everyone in WhatsApp. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.